Who's that pretty dog? And who's that pretty dog? Bah! Look at Lucy. Lucy's very happy with this. Lucy, play with that. Come on. Lucy's tuckered. Lucy's tuckered. You tired of playing with your baby? The baby's playing with her baby. But what happened to Lucy? Give me this. Put her. Lucy. I think I missed my opportunity. Lucy. How come, Lucy? How come? Whoa. What about you? Oh, boy. Gimme. That tail is giving you away, Lucy.